We're going. It says we're live. You just gotta just roll back. Your head's gonna hit. Oops, now it's in the shot. Say good evening to everybody.
Yeah.
Here. Lighting's kind of crappy.
Lighting's always weird.
So, this is the rear end.
And this is my face.
Which looks just like the rear end.
I get it from my dad.
Can you describe to people can you smell it? That's the oil, the gear oil.
That thing?
Yeah.
It smells like, I don't know.
It's gross.
It did, yeah.
So.
It smells like the farm that we went to last night. Kind of.
I don't think so.
I think so.
Anyway, so that's the rear end, and that is, I put that in a couple years ago. The ratio is 355. The ratio I took out, I believe, was 273. So basically, seat of the pants feel for people that aren't familiar with gear ratios.
There's a spider web right there.
It's a little more, yeah, there's spiders everywhere.
Ugh.
A little more seat of the pants, put you back in your seat feel. Your gas mileage goes down when you're cruising on the highway. The RPMs at a given speed are higher typically. So I put those in just for, it's more fun, more racing. And let's see what else. Let's see, over there, right there, and then another one right. Your head's on the way. Right there. Those are lower control arms. They're going to be replaced in the kit. I'll show you that later. The Mustang.
You're pointing some point.
I know. And let's see if I can get a good shot. So, upper control arm right there. There's 4. So this is a 4-link. It's what came out of Fox Body Mustangs. And I'm going to a 3-link setup with the Watts link. I'll kind of show that later here in a little bit. Let's see what else is good information. You're
Yes.
not good information.
Oh.
So shocks, those are going out. We're gonna get coilover shocks. So the springs, which are right in the way, right there, those are going out. And this is all just for suspension, mainly for road racing, but the guy says the kit, the system can be set up for road racing one day and go home, set it up, and you can go hit the track. And it's good for, he says it's been in 1,000 horsepower vehicles, rear wheel horsepower. So, which this thing will never see that much. There's no way.
Actually, do you know what it smells like? It smells like, like mom's necklace with like oils in it.
They can't know.
Well, they don't know what it smells like, but I know what it
just
smells like.
stinks. It's really, really bad. All right, let's see if we can crawl under or out.
I'm good.
Yeah, keep going. You're in my way. Stand by. Seriously.
I haven't done sit-ups yet. It's not that hard.
Hope nobody gets sick watching this. There we go.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the rear diff
Blade.
cover. This is the old one that I took out. This is the new one. Oops. This one right here. So this one doesn't have, they call it girdles. It's kind of help stabilize the main cap for the rear end. Right there, it's adjustable. This piece will mount right there. Well, Yeah, it's Skippy. And Clark. And so, you know, it'll mount better once it's in the car. And then the third link, which is right here, will connect right to there. And it will connect the frame with that. And that's adjustable. A couple different holes depending on the horsepower level of your vehicle. And then third link. This right here is going to be mounted to the frame. So it's going to be sitting kind of just aft of the diff cover. And so there's different holes for setup. This is the lower control arms are going to get replaced. This is part of the Watts link setup. So this right here is going to be sitting right there in those holes that are adjustable. And then your foot's in the way. Whoops.
No, really?
So this will mount right there, and then will also be adjustable. So basically, depending on how you like the setup of the vehicle, in corners and stuff like that, or off corners, you can adjust this placement and then the placement of here. So the center bolt will be, you can adjust it where here, and then the links will be adjusted right here, and you're looking for a parallel. Let's see, what else? It's covered so nobody can see it. It comes with all the hardware. So the plan is I'm going to put, whoops.
Nice, Dad. Nice.
I'm going to put this on tonight, put the gear oil in it, and a friend of ours, she wants to go for a ride, which I've been promising, and no, Anna.
Oh.
So hopefully the weather's going to be nice.
Today?
And we'll, no.
Oh, because I was going to say it's going to be kind of cold.
Yeah. So tomorrow, hopefully if the weather cooperates, we're going to go for a ride, get some drinks, because that's what we do.
Because you're adults.
Right. So this is video 1. My assistant over here hasn't said if my audio is good or bad. I'm hoping it's good. I don't know what else. Mercedes, did you learn anything?
That I'm really cool.
Yeah, I doubt it. All right, well, that's end of video 1. If you guys have any questions, post them. I'll answer them, or I'll bullshit you if I don't know. And we'll
Sounds like you.
talk to you guys later.